Commerce, hanapin niyo muna yung may available na tatlo kasi para hindi mawalan ng mga upuan yung mga iba. So, by family, kung may sobra dyan for the information of everyone. Thank you. So, kung walang mga upuan dyan ha, maghanap muna kayo may mga vacant sa iba.
Yan po, after dun mga guys, dito po sa hotel PDC Hotel mga guys. Ano po ngayon yung graduating po yung mga licensed mga engineer, plumber, yung pagkapasa po. Yan dito. Dahil yung anak ko nakapasa yung license ng plumber, bali dalawa na po yung license niya, mechanical at saka civilian mga guys.
To formally begin our program, we shall start with the processional. We kindly remind everyone that each inductee may be accompanied by one guest only. So, can you kindly form a line at the back part of the venue? One inductee, one guest. Thank you.
Good afternoon guys, balik na po kami sa Binyo. Wala nang linggo, ito na po.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It is my pleasure to welcome you, to welcome Honorable Armon M. English, Regional Director, PRC Region 8. Ma'am Marlina P. Doroy, PRC Chief Licensure and Registration Division. Honorable Samuel M. Paiti, Member, PRC Board of Master Plumber. Engineer Felix Canizares Jr., National President of PISAM. Engineer Limpo M. Lopez Jr., Chairman, Chapter Organization Membership Committee of PISAM. And everyone here to our oath-taking ceremony for new Master Plumber. Thank you.
Warm welcome. Now, as part of our oath-taking ceremonies for new Master Plumbers, we now proceed to the introduction of our guest of honor. May we call on Master Plumber and Engineer Olimpio M. Lopez Jr.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm tasked to introduce our guest of honor this afternoon. So it is with great honor and privilege that I introduce our esteemed PRC Region 8, Attorney Armon M. English. Sir, good afternoon. Attorney Ingris is a highly respected professional whose career in public service spanned nearly 3 decades. He earned his bachelor's.
Good afternoon to all of you, ladies and gentlemen, and also to the happy parents and loved ones of those who newly passed the plumbing exam. The occasion this afternoon will be blessed by an distinguished professional.
Ayan, mga guys, dito pa rin sa hostel.
Sana Lady Island siguro.
Rotating na nila, mga guys.
O, kasama na rin na taga-Bilaran.
Yung nagpakapasa po sa bird. Ayan. Master Plumber. Guys.
Designers na yan after the taking.
Mga 40 plus lang po sila.
Okay, this
Pasa,
is the
mga
final
guys.
stage of your master plumber career, no? Before practice. Okay, all you have to do is to raise your right hand and follow. Hello. Okay, I state your name and state your address. Hereby solemnly swear that I will support and defend the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines. That I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same. That I will obey the laws, legal orders, and decrees promulgated by the duly constituted authorities of the Republic of the Philippines. And I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily. Without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. I will adhere closely to the ethical and professional rules generally accepted by the master plumbing profession in the Philippines. And I will well and faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties and obligations incumbent upon my legally authorized master plumber practitioners. So help me God. Congratulations, you are now master plumbers authorized to practice under RA 1370, the master plumbing law. Congratulations.
Isa-isahin pa natin yung congratulate. Di makaikot si... Alright. So for the second batch, I request that is from Samar Province.
At Hotel de Fides, Tacloban City.
please state your chapter. Do solemnly swear to uphold and abide by the Constitution of bylaws of the organization. I pledge to faithfully uphold and practice the noble and democratic principles of Islam. Now, accomplished member of Islam, may I request, ano ba unahin natin, Islam Samar chapter dito sa harap. We'll be having our photo opportunity.
Tacloban chapter.
Wala na ang iba?
Ayan po mga guys, Tacloban chapter po yan. Ayan, mga nagpakapasa po.
Okay, the last batch is big. Okay, thank you.